Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a position where your Android phone keeps telling you that another application is blocking you from actually opening up the Google Play Store. Now, this is a very easy thing. The very first thing you want to do is try to understand which apps you just installed. If you just installed some random third-party application from the internet and you didn't really vet it or anything like that, well, you may want to go ahead and delete that specific application. So do your best to kind of understand which apps are kind of running, kind of close out of it. You can swipe into multitasking, close out of it like this, and then delete that application if you have it. If you didn't install any other third-party application, the next thing you can do is make your way over to your settings application like this. You want to click on apps or whatever apps panel you have. If your recently updated app comes up like this, you can click on it. If not, you can go into all your apps like this, and you can scroll through until you find the Google Play Store. So you can see right here, here's the Google Play Store right here. So you want to go ahead and click on it. And at this point, you want to go ahead and either you can force stop this application like here, click here, and try opening it up again. Or what you can do is go ahead and click on the three dots on the top right, and you can click uninstall updates. So what that does is it'll essentially uninstall the updates. If it randomly updated and it broke your phone for some reason or it broke the Google Play Store, you can go ahead and uninstall the updates. And then once it's done with that, you can make your way back into the Play Store and see if that actually ended up fixing the issue. If it did, then you're set and you're good to go. If it didn't fix the issue, the next thing I would recommend doing is actually going through and trying is to restart your Android. So hold up the buttons that you normally push to actually restart your device and go ahead and click that restart button, click restart, and see how long it pretty much takes you to restart your device. But more so than that, you want to go ahead and make sure that your device restarts properly. And then once it's fully restarted, you can make your way back into the Google Play Store and see if that actually ended up fixing the issue. Most of the time, a lot of these issues can be fixed like this. If for some reason you go back into the Google Play Store and it still doesn't fix it and it still seems like it's having issues, what you can do is you can go ahead and make your way over to the settings again, click under apps here, go under see all apps here, and try to force stop all of these applications that are currently running that you can think of. Now, apps like Instagram and stuff and like whatever other games, big games, Twitter, I'm sure those are fine, but any smaller applications that you don't really remember installing or whatever, if you don't feel like deleting them, you can force stop them by clicking on them like this and clicking on the force stop button here, click OK, and try to go back into it and see if it fixes it. If it does, then you're set. If it's not, maybe you have to reset your Android, but you can also contact Google support and have them take a look at your, Android phone. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.